Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the 3D modeling Design My Model app is and how it's positioned. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. 3D modeling. Design My Model is a graphics and design app listed on the Apple App Store that lets users create and edit 3D designs directly on their iPhone or iPad. Official descriptions show the app is focused on designing 3D content with gesture-based controls for moving, rotating, and scaling objects and the camera. Documented features include vertex tools such as merge, connect, and creating faces, edge tools like cut and extrude, and object tools including clone, mirror, smooth, and divide. The app also provides sculpting tools for shaping models, coloring tools including painting textures and editing UV placement, and display settings like grid and wireframe toggles. Verified functionality includes the ability to export and import models in .obj format. 3D modeling. Design My Model may be useful for people who want a mobile platform to experiment with 3D creation, basic mesh editing, and simple modeling workflows without a desktop tool. For users interested in learning or practicing 3D design on tablet or phone hardware, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.